To draw a reef knot, you will need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. This is quite complicated, so I'm going to plan this drawing by drawing a circle like that. And then another circle inside it. So this is kind of going to be the thickness of the string. And then you want to come in that thickness again, like that. And then draw another circle, which is going to be as similar as possible as you can make it to that one. And that will be your basic guide. So that then this line here you want to bring out and across. So that will come up to there, and then that will then come across to there like that. You might then find it useful to erase those bits there. And then we want to do the same thing here. So this is going to come out like that, across there, and then that's going to come across there in a similar sort of way like that. These are going to be on top, so you might find it useful to kind of erase those little bits there. And bits there. It's quite complicated. So now with ink, I'm going to come around here like that and stop when I get to that line, and again come around and stop, and we can do the same underneath. So that will come around to there, that will come around to there, and then stop. So then we can do this curve, come around here, that will come to there, and then we want it to come all the way around there like that. And then that will come across there, and across, like that, and like that. And then we can do these joining up parts which go underneath. Don't want anything there. And then we'll carry on there and carry on there. Then when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines. No one will know how you planned it out so neatly. And then we can put some shading in here. So we can put like a little curve there, a little curve, and we kind of do that on all the bits that go over, or rather underneath. All the bits that go underneath, we can put that little slight little curve, and that will give us a sort of a feeling of depth to the whole thing. And then we can start putting a bit of string feel to the whole thing. So if we kind of follow these angles, and I'm not quite going right to the edge there, so I'm starting on the line and not quite finishing on the other side. And then here we need to change the angle as we come around the corner, like that. So this will be coming around the corner, and I'm going to change to go on this side now. So we're coming from the bottom and up, and not quite touching the top line. And that helps to give a bit of a feeling of the curve of the string, the roundness of its cross section. And then we're going to go the other direction on this one, and that will come around like that. And again we need to change the angle as we come around the curve, like that. And then I'm going to draw from the bottom up again, and then we'll keep sort of drawing up like that until we get to the end. And there you go, how to draw a reef knot real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.